Hey everybody, it's Robert with RT Repairs. Today we're going to begin our teardown of our 2006 Jeep Commander with the 5.7 liter Hemi. Today you're going to see us take apart the entire front end of this Jeep, removing the body panels. We'll show you where the rust is at, and then we're going to talk about at the end the plans for the next video, which should be coming up here in the next 3 or 4 days. Enjoy, guys. there she is. We got the whole front end taken apart. You can see we got no rust over here. This is all clean right here. No rust. We got a little bit of rust here, a little bit over here. We got some rust in here. We're going to clean up in here. A little bit down there. Little scratches right here. Down here, everything looks pretty good. A little bit of cleanup there and there. But overall, looks pretty good in there. We do have some rust right there. We're going to clean up. This side right here. This corner. We are going to have to redo that cab corner right there. That's got to be redone. It's from the factory. Suspension looks good. Had no rust. Talk about. Next video, we're going to be removing the coolant tank, the air box, all of this. This is all going to come out here. We're going to be replacing the radiator, seeing as it's leaking right here. Radiator's leaking right there. So it's a plastic plug. We're going to go with an all aluminum radiator. So we got valve cover leak to fix here. We're going to get rid of all of this right here. All that's going to go. We're going to get rid of all that. So you all saw what we did there as far as taking apart the front end of the Jeep. This is just the very first part of this build. Next time we get out there, we're going to be pulling off the air box as I showed you, coolant tank. We're going to be pulling out the transmission cooler, power steering cooler, radiator. Battery's going to come out in battery box. Going to be removing the under the hood fuse panel, probably pulling the hood off to make this easier. Main objective at that point is going to be to replace the transmission cooler lines. Notoriously leak on the Jeep Commanders. We've got 2 brand new ones from the manufacturer. We're going to go ahead and put those on. We are going to get the front end of our engine taken apart to get to the timing chain and timing chain guides. We're going to put a new timing chain guides on. Probably have to replace the cam seal. Probably have to replace the crankshaft seal. We're going to go ahead and pull the heads off. Take the heads in, get them redone at the machine shop. Replace the valve stem seals. Go ahead and replace all of our multi-displacement solenoids. Put new head gaskets on. We're going to remove the exhaust manifolds because we're putting new headers on. We're doing a complete exhaust system on this Jeep right from the headers on back. We're going to go ahead and replace the belt system while we're on there, the serpentine belts and pulleys. I don't know if we're going to convert the hydraulic actuated fan to an electric activated fan, but more than likely we will be. We are going to be upgrading to an all aluminum radiator since the plastic ones just leak and they're not worth it when you're doing off-road. Suspension wise, we're going to be replacing the front struts, the rear struts. We're going to also be upgrading the springs in the front. We're putting coilover shocks actually in the rear. They're load leveling shocks by Monroe, but they do an awesome job on these Jeeps. We're going to also be putting the rough country lift kit on the front of this truck to raise it up 3 inches so it levels out. Tires and wheels are staying. We will be replacing the fender on the driver's side due to rust on the lower corner. Passenger side is good. We'll be able to fix that one. We have to replace all the clips on the molding that we pulled off, the wheel well molding. We do have some rust we're going to fix that we showed you guys in the video, so we're going to get that rust repair taken care of, which you will see all that. We have a new headlight over here for it. The other headlight's already been replaced. The grill assembly we're going to end up replacing. We're putting an aftermarket grill assembly on there. We're doing an aftermarket steel bumper on the front. Then we'll be working on the back of the Jeep. We've got some rust repair underneath back there, mainly just surface rust on the suspension, but we're going to fix that. All 3 boxes are getting the fluid changed. Front axle's coming out so we can do the axle seals and rebuild. You guys will see all of that. Doing also new wheel bearings all the way around. You guys will see that. Then we're going to do the rear bumper is coming off so we can redo the rear bumper. We're going to, I don't know if we're going to shot peen or if we're going to sandblast the hitch assembly to get all the rust off of it. There's no other rust on this Jeep really other than that. We will be, after we get all the mechanical and body work done and get this thing put back together, we will be completely stripping the interior. We're doing some cat skins, aftermarket leather seat upgrades all the way for every seat in this Jeep, and there's 3 rows. I think we're going to eliminate the 3rd row seat so we can do the audio system. We'll be doing a roof rack on this thing, and we will be doing aftermarket step assemblies. I don't know if I'm going to do the electric ones or not. I think we may do the electric drop downs. And then, like I said, we're doing a complete exhaust system on it. This thing's going to be awesome when it's done. Totally different Jeep when this thing is done with. And you guys are going to be here for all of it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to us. You're going to see a lot more builds just like this. The bigger we get, the more subscribers we get, the more we can do with this channel. And we're looking forward to doing builds you guys want to see. And everything that we're going to do is going to be focused on the average Joe. Stuff you can do in your driveway. I'm doing this in my driveway. Some of the stuff will be done in the garage here. But this is an average sized garage with average tools. That's all we're trying to do with this channel is show you stuff that you guys can do yourself at home. This is Robert with RT Repairs. And please subscribe. Please send those thumbs up. Send us some comments. Let us know what you want to see with this channel. Do you have any aftermarket parts ideas you'd like to see on this Jeep Commander? It's an 06 with a 5.7 Hemi. Send us the information. We'll be glad to look at doing that upgrade on this Jeep. Thanks, guys, for subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.